How to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. So if you want to download and install WhatsApp mobile app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because without the internet connection you won't be able to install the application. After that, you need to open up your Play Store, go with the search which is on the bottom right and tap on the search bar. From the search bar you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching, now as you can see that I've already installed the application, but if you've not installed, then instead of this update or instead of the open button, you will have install option. So you just need to simply tap on the blue button which says install, and once you tap on install, it will start the installing process, and once it loads to the 100%, then your app has been installed. After that, you can just simply tap on open. You will have an open option on the right side. So now as you can see that I have the open option, tap on open and you'll be able to create your account or log into your account and use your WhatsApp. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. So thanks for watching.